Trump will return to the White House as the 47th President of the United States.
This is a magnificent victory for the American people that will allow us to make America great again.
With the revival of his America First policies, what does the Trump presidency mean for India? Let's dive in. First, let's look at trade. Now, Trump's policies, which emphasize on domestic production, could mean higher tariffs on imports. While this may initially seem detrimental, it could indirectly benefit India as US companies seek alternatives to China for their supply chains, potentially increasing demand for Indian goods. But remember, Trump previously called India a tariff king, criticizing India's high tariffs on American goods. In 2018, he imposed tariffs on Indian steel and aluminium, which led to retaliatory tariffs from India. Similar trade battles with consequences for sectors like agriculture and manufacturing could be on the cards. Trump's proposed economic measures, which include tax cuts amid already sky-high budget deficits, could trigger inflation in the US. Any inflationary pressures may lead the Federal Reserve to adjust rates. This can have a ripple effect on global financial stability as well as influence India's monetary policy decisions. However, any increase in economic activity in the United States will positively impact emerging economies, particularly India, which is a major exporter of information technology services, pharmaceutical products, gems, and jewelry. One of the biggest concerns is the H-1B visa program, which is crucial for the Indian IT industry. During his first term, Trump imposed stricter regulations on H-1B visas, making it tough for Indian professionals to work in the US, leading to reduced opportunities for Indian talent. This time round, restrictions could tighten further, potentially affecting revenue for top Indian IT companies.
We are very confident that whatever the verdict, our relationship with the United States will only grow.
India's External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar recently commented that regardless of the election outcome, the US may become increasingly isolationist. Trump's policies could mean fewer opportunities for Indian workers and potential challenges for companies dependent on exports. Let's shift gears to the market reactions. Historically, Indian stock markets have responded positively to Trump's pro-business stance. For example, after his 2016 election win, the Sensex surged over 1,000 points in just a few days. This time too, Indian markets did see a rally on the 6th of November after a Trump victory was certain. However, the rally was short-lived as the markets once again went into correction mode the following day. Analysts warn that increased volatility may be on the horizon. If Trump escalates trade tensions, particularly through multilateral tariffs, it could negatively impact global trade and economic growth, leading to higher prices and increased market fluctuations. Meanwhile, experts also say a risk-on sentiment is expected among global investors, which could lead to increased capital flows into Indian markets despite the looming risks associated with Trump's protectionist policies. While trade may see a friction, analysts believe Indo-US strategic ties will remain strong. Trump has previously supported India on defense and security matters. Nomura's report even suggests that Trump's policies could bolster strategic ties, especially as India seeks to balance power in the Indo-Pacific. How do you think a Trump presidency will impact India? Let us know in the comments below.